Have you ever been listening to your favorite playlist and then suddenly there's a weird pause before the next song starts? It could be super annoying, right? Don't worry, today I'm going to show you how to fix that. So let's talk about how to use the crossfade feature on Spotify. So first you're going to open up Spotify, the app, and then go to the settings. Then you're going to tap on playback, and then you're going to see an option called crossfade. Turning this on will make your songs blend together perfectly without any silence between them. So here's what you could do next. First thing, adjust the slider to change how long the crossfade lasts. You can make the fade short or long, or anywhere in between. Second thing, experiment with the fade time, so it's to match your playlist's vibe. Third thing, test it out on different playlists, from calm to energetic, to see what works best. Fourth thing, make sure that Gapless Playback is turned on for even more smoother transitions. And fifth thing, enjoy your music without interruptions or pauses. So now you can make your playlist sound amazing. Like, subscribe, love you, ciao.